Okay, all right. Okay, George. My name is Yeta. I'm going to be doing your usability study today. Um, all right. So we had the test account ready. You're in the environment. Um, there's a couple things I'm going to ask you to do. First of all, um, this whole test is about Google Cloud documentation. Ideally, what we're trying to see is how you as a person interact with some of the tools we're going to give you in the platform and essentially see what you do. And there's no right or wrong answers. This isn't like a test of your skills. Like I said, we're mostly interested in how you're working, including how you use documentation, the AI tools we're going to give you, how you search, etc. And feel free to approach these tasks as you normally would, and feel free to use any tools that you typically rely on. As you work, please think aloud, share what you're doing and what you're thinking. And if something feels unclear or confusing, just mention it. And if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to ask. I might not always jump with guidance since we're interested in how you typically work through the task, but don't be afraid to ask a question if you have one. Um, okay, so s- I'm going to send you a link really quick. This is a Google Cloud documentation, I'm sorry, Google Cloud documentation page. Um, and then once you have it open, I want you to go back to the user study slide that we gave you just a bit ago. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, excellent. And then number one, I'm sorry, per slide, sorry, go to slide three really quick. Um, we went a little bit over this like 5 seconds ago. Vertex AI Studio is going to be where you're going to be doing a lot of this work. You can think of it, um, it's kind of like a sandbox where you test AI models specifically to build stuff. Um, and then if you go to slide four, so this is going to be your first task. Um, you're a developer building an wellness app. Core feature of that, oh my God, core feature of the app is called a recipe assistant, which you have personalized healthy meals to choose. Um, your goal is to identify the most suitable AI model in Vertex AI Studio, and then create a visual prototype to demonstrate the user experience. So we want to segment it into two parts. Number one, we're going to ask you to explore what kind of model you would choose and how you decide to choose them. And number two, how would you develop it? I'm sorry, develop the said prototype. In terms of what you can use anything from like Google search, you can use the documentation page, you can use Gemini. These are all okay. And there's also tools within Vertex AI. I would not be surprised if you need a first 5 minutes to get to use Vertex AI first, just to get to know the platform. So if you're doing it and you're like, I might need to take a moment to explore whatever I'm working in, that's completely okay. Um, but yeah, okay. Any questions so far?
No.
No? Okay, excellent. All right. So let's have you switch over to the Vertex AI Studio. Right,
All
I got you
right.
now. All right. And then the floor is yours.
Yeah. What is it? Most suitable AI model.
Hmm.
Well, I'm building an app, so I
Correct.
wouldn't need either of these two.
Hmm.
I'm gonna hit build an app.
Hmm.
What the heck? Why can't I see any more of this screen?
Oh, might be because of the enable billing
Oh my
screen,
gosh.
whatever. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna do anything. Wait, hold on. Yeah, let's see. Wait, by any chance, have you
Okay.
ever used Vertex AI ever in your life?
No.
No? Okay. Oh, that's very strange. Okay. Oh,
Let's open a new tab. All right. I'm gonna have this documentation open.
yeah.
Just
Mm,
for funsies.
just for funsies.
Supported models.
Hmm.
All Gemini models.
Yeah. You're also more than welcome to use Vertex AI itself to figure out what model you want to use, just FYI. Like,
What does it mean by model?
so in this case, it would be like you can define it in more than one way. It's only depending on you. It can be like personalization. So like, how do you know which meal is for this person? Things like that. Um, I wouldn't, but don't think too hard on like the model itself specifically. Just think of like, um, on a high level, how would you approach the issue?
Wait, when you say you want me to find an AI model, is this like there's like ChatGPT like 5.0, 4.5, 3.0? Is that the kind of model you're talking about?
Um, ooh, not exactly, but if you want to use that to figure out how to approach the issue, that's also completely okay.
Gemini models. Well, that's not very helpful.
Yeah.
What, what is happening? What is happening? What is going on? Why does this documentation not make sense with the interface that I'm seeing?
Don't worry about it. You and I both know the Rebel documentation. African. Um, but feel free to like interact with the system and things like that. Like, there's no issue.
Okay, I'm just gonna try things.
Yeah, yeah, just go for it.
Okay, what the heck? So I haven't used this laptop in a bit. Okay,
Mm.
okay, I don't have billing, so
Bruh. Yeah, press enable, bruh.
uh, dog,
Press
I'm not gonna
enable
pay
billing
for
for me.
this. It's because I think I have 0 tokens, so I need an account that has tokens.
Oh, yeah. Oh, but you've never used this before.
No,
That's very
like
strange.
I don't have billing. Like
Okay.
I don't have anything.
Okay, okay. Huh. Wait, press enable billing. Or like, you probably have a card tied to here. Give me one
I
second.
do. I have a
Yeah, okay,
personal
yeah.
card tied to
Yeah,
this.
that's fine. Here. Bruh. I knew this would happen. Okay.
Your account doesn't work.
My account,
Or this one on the slide.
it does. Here, but let me make sure it's set up. 1 second. Here, I'm gonna pause the recording really quick.
All right, I need to able to input an ingredient and get the recipe back. What else do I need? Okay, I'm just gonna
Mm.
copy and paste. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
So if I put in salmon. Okay.
You know, that looks like a solid recipe.
Dang. Oh, yeah. I mean, I think this is it.
Hmm. I think that was too easy. This might be the fastest usability test of all time.
What could we close this?
Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm going to ask you a couple questions now. Okay,
Okay.
let's see. Um, just bear with me. Okay. How would you describe your overall experience completing this task?
Um, it was fine. I think that
Yeah, yeah.
the model part is weird. I still don't fully understand what that part of the task is asking.
Hmm. I get it. I
Um,
get it.
I don't even know like where here I can choose, but like the only models was like video generation, image generation, app.
Hmm.
I, but it's like I
Yeah.
only one of those really makes
I
sense.
guess. I guess if like my follow question, that would be like, um, and you can try this if you want. Like, um, let's say it's not a model. Let's say it's like a function where it has to. What's a good example? Like, if I input this particular ingredient, and then it's gonna do whatever cooking and figuring out, and then the alpha will be the recipe suggestion. If you had to build just that, like how would you do it? And like you can do this in Vertex AI right now if you want, or you can just say to me verbally.
Wait, what? You just want
Yeah.
the like algorithm?
Yeah. Like if you had to make an algorithm for it.
Still don't know if I understand this completely. It's like you want an algorithm to where you can like input an ingredient and then you output a recipe.
Yeah, like
I'm building the algorithm.
with Vertex AI. Like, okay, not an algorithm. Shit. Wait, what's the right word? Like, imagine like you already have this interface, right? But in the back end is a little machine that makes like that recipe development thing going on, right? Are you following me?
No.
Okay. So let's say this is an already built app, right?
Okay.
Or like website in this case. However, um, to generate the recipes, right? For whatever reason, it's not working. But and then your boss says, I need you to fix the part in the website where number one, it accurately generates the correct recipe depending on what you give it. And two, it's being displayed on the website. Let's just focus on the first part. Like if you had to build that, just that section, it doesn't even have to be like, how do you say? It doesn't have to be visually shown the front, but like how would you work through that problem is my question.
I like don't know how
Do my job. I promise this is
in that
my
like
job.
what? I'm confused why what like you want me to just tell you I need a function that takes in a user input. I need a web scraper that's gonna scrape the entire
Right.
internet for different recipes.
No, no,
And
no, like
then
don't
I'm
wait.
going to match the input to keywords in the
Wait,
recipe.
wait, wait. But no, don't think that grand. Like okay, scraping, yes, but like think smaller.
What?
Like
I don't even know what this task is, dog. I straight up don't understand what you're at, what you want from me here.
it's okay, we can move on. We can move on.
No, like genuinely, like if you were gonna do this task, what would you do? What would you say?
What would I do? Like this task I'm asking.
Just part one.
Part one,
What is model selection?
you're asking the wrong person. But what I would do, what I would do is go on, how do you say, the make changes or add new features area, and then
Hmm?
ask Gemini, obviously Vertex AI, um, help me write some lines of code that does what I'm asking for.
Wait, what?
Like I would, not I, but generally speaking, I would ask Vertex AI. I want to build something in the code that helps me spit out new recipes depending on what people want. So let's say like I want to eat salmon, for example. I would ask in the chat, like help me make that section of either the website, for example.
Why? How does
Bro,
that
bro, I know.
how does that answer the question?
Like don't think of it as like or as or like continue, your thing.
Like, oh my God, please work. Whoa, this is a different screen.
No, that's your dashboard.
Oh, this one.
Yeah, yeah.
Like you would message this.
Hmm.
I don't understand this. I need an AI model.
No, don't think about the AI model like specifically. Just think about like you want to build just that section.
Like this.
Yeah,
This is not what the task is asking.
it's not. Like this is a separate thing.
Wait, so then what is task one asking?
No, 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 task one is asking you to make like you already did what it was being asked for you, like which is like make that interface.
No, but what is task one, part one? Model selection.
So ideally, um, okay, I'm gonna just tell you, like it's either two things happen. Um, number one, people don't know what that means. Um, or number two, they get really deep into whatever they're building and try to figure out like how do you say? Like most people interpret it as is it like a Gemini related model, which I understand. Like that's what I thought too. Most I would say do something completely different. They do like in the ones that I've seen, we completely skip the question actually because again it doesn't make sense. But um yeah, not the greatest answer to your question. That's why I say don't think about the AI model section.
That's
Like
like my biggest gripe with this task.
don't I know bro. I know exactly, George, I know exactly what you're thinking. I know. Don't worry about it. It's like
So
I know, bro.
did I do the I, whatever, fine. The task
Yeah,
was
okay. forget about task one. Or
Okay.
like find an AI model. Like it's fine. Just focus on making the bonus app.
No, very easy.
Right. Okay. Let's see. Um, you answered most of my questions already, but um, give me 1 second. Oh, I do have one question about trust. How confident do you feel like the solution that you made right now will work in a real life? I'm sorry, real. I'm sorry, not. So this is not phrased correctly. How confident do you feel that your solution, whatever you made right now, would work in, let's say, like a work environment, for example?
No, no trust. This
No
will not
trust.
work.
Okay,
I
okay.
know that this would not work.
May I ask? Yeah, may I ask to elaborate on that?
Um, every time I vibe coded, it basically lies to me. Like
Hmm.
I don't know if I what's like a weird like genuinely. Oh, it's better than I thought. I just think implementation is so much harder
Yeah,
than a sandbox environment.
yeah. Could I
I
ask you to, like, just out of curiosity, to press the press the code button?
yeah.
The specs. I'm just curious. Okay, never mind. It's what I expect. Um,
I mean, yeah, it's in
but
React.
let's say like you vibe coded this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you're looking to make sure whatever is coming out is correct. Um, when you're going through the code, do you feel like you would have enough trust in what you vibe coded to be like, oh, it's close enough. I just have to fix a couple things, or is it more like I'm only using this to test the concept, and the real app I'm making will not have any of this like that I'm seeing in the vibe code?
I think it's more conceptual, and maybe I would borrow code, but it's just the idea of
Right.
like I don't know like what style it's using. I don't know how it's thinking.
Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay.
Oh, look, it's using Gemini 2.5 Flash as this model.
Okay.
Can I change it?
Yeah. Yeah. Do.
Will it break it?
Hmm.
I broke it.
Oh, maybe we broke it.
Okay, yeah, I broke
Okay. Broke it. Okay. That's fine.
it.
Okay. Okay. The other task, I think it will take some time, so I'm not gonna ask you to do them.
Debug.
Yeah. There's like a whole debugging thing, but this
Holy cow,
can
you don't have
be
permissions.
this. What happened?
You don't have permissions
Give me 1 second.
for task two.
No. Yeah. But give me 1 second, man. Yeah. Yeah. We can end it here. It's fine. Yeah. I think I got what I was looking for. Um. Oh wait, I have one more question actually. Um, if you had like a magic wand, let's say,
Mm-hmm.
for this particular AI tool, like what would you have? Like what would you wish you had that would improve your experience? And also, like, would it help to have documentation somewhere in the sense of like as a reference point while you're vibe coding?
What do I wish? Mm,
Yeah, not really. Are you
I
thinking?
mean, it's like no, I like don't want to say it because I hate working with it. But it's like I almost want the ability to like still be able to just like because whatever it gives me, I'm kind of stuck with, and I kind of
Uh-huh.
have to like prompt its way to like
Hmm.
let's say I don't want it to look like this, or if I want to like give me multiple recipes and then I can
Uh-huh.
choose one, like
I
I'm
see.
so forced to, or like even color, right? Like what if I just
Mhm.
want this to be a different shade of green?
I see.
Then I
Okay.
have to like find a hex code or
Right.
like the HTML like
Right.
name, right? No, I don't I don't know what documentation I need. Like I understand if you're using an API key, you need
Right.
documentation to understand.
Right.
what your variables are and what functions you can call.
Right.
I think you're just playing in a sandbox environment,
Mm-hmm.
especially for something like this, you would like have some understanding of what you're doing.
Mm-hmm.
Like I think if you don't understand any of this code, I don't even know where to start for
Right.
you. It's like, oh, okay, let's have you take an intro CS course first, and then
Right. Right.
um,
Okay. Other than that, I think that's all the questions I got for you. Yeah, we can end it here. All right, here. Okay, I'm gonna start recording in 1 second.